Hi, welcome you all to the Intel 1 API Instructor program. We are going to see the fundamentals of 1 API program, why it is needed. We do have many languages and many architectures. Why another language is needed and what are the core contents. It actually supports variety of hardware architecture and variety of hardware vendors. It's going to simplify the developer's life. Is it an open source? If you ask, yes, it's an open source. Surprisingly, unfortunately, many architectures and many languages are emerging now and then and here and there with which today's digital world is running. The main thing we observe is the inconsistency and complex with respect to the tool support. One code cannot be used for another architecture, one language cannot be used for another architecture. There is no common programming language API for us. So there is no inconsistent tool support across platforms. Each platform requires unique software investment. So diverse set of data-centric hardware is also required. That is why we can clearly understand that is the reason Intel 1 API is bringing the common platform. It will bring the convergence and the programmers can feel ease while using Intel 1 API program. There is no quality compromise and the performance can be improved. You can see the right hand side, the lower layers, that is XPUs, CPU, GPU, FPGA and another XPUs. So above which we have the 1 API, which is industry initiative and Intel product one. Above which we have any other middleware and framework, which is supporting the application workload, which is also supporting in turn the diverse hardware. The middleware can be any deep learning framework or any other framework. There's a support for upper layer domains like scalar, vector and matrix spatial. Any other domains can be supported. It is very easy to use, it is encouraging and it is very supportive. The unified and simplified language and libraries are being expressed now. This is based on the industry standards and open specifications. The interoperability is very, very important here. The 1 API industry initiative, this is alternative to the single vendor program. The yellow box is showing the DPC++. DPC++ is direct programming C++, and it is going to have this API based programming libraries to support the low level hardware interface too. The DPC++ libraries are the standard based programs. They are also called as these cross architecture languages. We do have powerful APIs designed and to follow the specific functions. Any vendor can participating is the interesting thing. It's not going to wipe off all standards or all hardwares or any other stuff. We will still use 1 API over and above the existing stuff, which is very, very useful 1 API program. When we require this code reusability on architectures, the DPC++ support is supporting the code reuse. It is going to ensure the reliability code. The code is going to be reliable by the availability, recoverability, and fault tolerance. The code can be reused. That has to be efficient. That's done by improving the response time and monitoring processor, memory, and the utilization. It is going to practice the use of existing code to build new functions and new software. It is going to use the same or the similar code for different software system, which is having the different design structures. You can use the code for web development and mobile development having different architectures but share the same functionalities. This is the reason why the DPC++ has to be used. We come to the data parallel C++. It is a standard based and cross architecture language. It is very easy to learn. It has got the functional knowledge of C and C++. It is a standard based cross architecture language having the basic knowledge of C++. You're also able to do the custom tuning for specific accelerator. It is not going to have only one single architecture, one specialized language, which is we are going to get aligned with and converged with other languages too. The GPU and CPU can be easily moved from one to another. Everything is available in the same board and same system. A lot of community support is also going to be done. The parallelism, productivity and performance for CPUs and accelerators will be done for open and cross industry alternative to single architecture proprietary language. Based on the ISO C++ and Kronos SQL, it delivers C++ productivity benefits and other common and familiar C and C++ constructs. The community project to drive the different language enhancement also done. The extensions to simplify data parallel programming and the open cooperative development for continued evolution can also be done. The Intel One API program has got different toolkits. A lot of options and easy applications are available. As developers, we can use it. The analysis for debug tools, D, C++ compilers, libraries, and analysis tools are available. It is the complete entire package. You want to analyze the code, want to troubleshoot, you want to debug, it becomes very, very easier. The Python distribution is very popular in this case. It's going to be an integrated one. There is a great support for future from Intel. You can also migrate the the code written in CUDA can also be migrated. Who can use it? A broad range of developers across industries can use it. It has got an add-on toolkit users since this is the base for all toolkits. The top features and benefits include the DP++ compiler, the library, and analysis toolkits. The DP++ compatibility will also help in migrating the existing code written in CUDA. As I already told you, this Python distribution includes the accelerated libraries. There will be optimized performance libraries for different applications like threading, mathematical applications, data analysis, analytics, deep learning, video and image and signal processing applications. So now why DP++ has to be used? The new direct program language specified by one API. There's a lot of toolbox and codebox will be same for the both. To enable this, Intel has developed the DP++. It's an open source alternative to any proprietary language. It is the best initiative by Intel to create a simplified and unique application development. It can get aligned properly rather than going with one single language. This is the best option to go with DP++. Thank you very much.